Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make vegetable fried rice. First, we need to cook the rice. The water has started to boil. Adding some vegetable oil to it, little bit of salt, and finally I will add the rice. Now for the rice, I am using long grain rice that I have soaked for about half an hour, right? So don't overcook the rice. We don't want it sticky. Once it's cooked, drain the liquid and yeah, the rice is done. Now we will proceed to the next step. I have placed a pan on the burner, adding vegetable oil. Once the oil heated, add the potatoes, right? You need to cook the potatoes. Saute the potatoes for about 2-3 minutes so that it can cook properly. It's done. Now adding cottage cheese. All the veggies that I have used here, that is cut into very small pieces. You can use any type of veggies. It's your wish. We need to fry these for about couple of minutes. Now we can see it has changed the color. Also adding carrots and some red bell peppers. Saute that too. Adding beans. Also some cabbage. Mix the veggies thoroughly. After that, add the salt. Keep in mind that the sauces that we going to add is having salt. So adjust the salt according to that. Adding pepper, also chili sauce, soy sauce. Okay. Mix it well. And finally we will add the rice. Now the rice, you have to be very gentle with the rice. Spread the rice with your hand so that it won't stick together and we can spread it evenly. Okay. Yeah. I have transferred the rice to our pan. Now mix the veggies and the rice very gently and you have to be very careful while mixing it. We need to keep the rice for about 2-3 minutes. This is fried rice. So we need to fry the rice and yeah, check the salt and pepper. Add more if needed. Finally, I am adding the spring onions. Mix that in. Give a final mix. Turn off the heat. And yeah, it's ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Try this recipe. Take care guys. Bye.